Hi, Dr. Helen Purchase. This is Sana Mobeen, and today I will be demonstrating my project on booksforyou.com, a culturally adaptive website that not only caters to your reading need but tries to match your culture needs as well. For starters, the website will be featuring 4 cultures, namely British, Chinese, American, and Pakistani, where British version of booksforyou.com will be the main interface seen by the user at first point of contact. Before explaining the functionality of the website, I would like to elaborate that as booksforyou.com reads users' location and adapts accordingly, but as I am located in Britain, therefore it will only show the British version. To show you the different versions and for demonstration purposes, I have put this code in the system, which by simple commenting and uncommenting these codes, I will be able to show you USA, China, and Pakistani version. As you can see over here, this is the main code that actually reads the IP address of the user. If I click and run this code, it will give me the British version right now. Just for demonstration purposes, we'll do this. As you can see, it is giving me the British version over here. So first, I'll show you the British version of booksforyou.com. As you can see, the main website is depicting British culture with the flag as first signal to show the culture. The website over here is actually following the section layout. Therefore, by clicking a certain category, it takes you to the relevant section, and every section and all the different categories are on the same page. At the moment, there are only 3 categories, book categories: children, fiction, and religion, but more can be added on later. The books in each category are relevant to that section and depict the culture. The books in every category have their own image, price, book name, author's name, details, which gives a little bit of details or synopsis about the book, and an add button, which if the users like the book, they can add it into their cart. Just to show you, if you click on the add button, the website updates and the cart over there updates as well. The books can be bought, like I said, by clicking the add button. There are 2 more categories apart from books. One is feedback, which contains a survey link, and the other is search field. We will discuss more about these later on, but just to let you know that the search field returns book relevant to the adapted culture, like Harry Potter's and the Philosopher's Stone, which is a UK version, and Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, which is the American version, if I'll be on the American website searching for this relevant book. As you can see in this website, the symbols, the pound symbol here depicting price, the images, the background images, the icons, the layout, all are depicting British culture. Now I'll demonstrate the American website for you. So if you just comment this line and uncomment this for demonstration purposes, we'll be able to see the American version. The first thing that you will notice in the American version is that the background has changed, the flag has changed. The language is of course the same, but the flag is now the American flag. The background images, the images between the 2 sections, the books, everything is now depicting American culture. Again, the 3 categories are there. Section layout, you can just click on them. Again, the search and feedback button. Details will give you details of the relevant book, and if you click on the add button, it will update your cart for you, and the user will be able to buy the book. Again, note the name of the book here, same book, but it's an American version, which is written in the synopsis as well. The $ has changed here, depicting price. So this is the American version. Going back to the coding page, we'll comment this line and comment this to show you the Chinese version. These are just the IP addresses of the different countries we have taken for demonstration purposes. Again, the first thing that you will note is that the background is changed. It's with the Chinese flag, but the language over here, as you can see, is Chinese. The name of the website is kept the same because that's the name of our website and we like to keep that in English. Apart from that, every other thing, the language, the layout, the price, the currency sign, the symbols, everything is now depicting Chinese culture. It works in the same way. It's got its different layouts, it's got a different sections depicting different books, and that's your Chinese culture. Last but not the least is the Pakistani culture. Again, the layout in this for the font layout will be right to left rather than left to right, depicting Urdu language. The flag has been changed. The color is changed to green, which is depicting Islamic and Pakistani version. Looking at this is children, fiction, religion, feedback, and search. Again, as you can see, the images, the icons, the price signs, everything is now depicting Pakistani version, Pakistani culture, sorry. And by clicking the add button, you can see the card has been updated. Now we'll talk more about the search and the feedback option. For that, we need to go to the British version because that way the code will really work and it will show me the search and the feedback criteria. By clicking search field, as I said earlier, it returns the relevant culturally adaptive books. For example, like I said, Harry Potter. So if I click search here, it takes me to the search field, and if over there I write Harry Potter and click search, it will give me the relevant books which will be depicting the British culture and the British version of these books. If you click on feedback, it takes a user to this feedback page in which you can actually add your details. When the user actually answers these questions and press the submit button, it goes into our database at the back, which I'll be showing to you momentarily. Once it's been submitted, oh, we forgot to click one, sorry. Once it's been submitted, the user is actually taken back to the website again. It takes the user back to the website, and the survey or the feedback goes back to the database, which will show you over here. As you can see, this is our database and this is a participant's response containing all the 10 questions. And if I just run a simple query, as you can see, it's been updated and is showing me the relevant answers over here. As you can see, all the 4 versions have different look and feel, even though they follow the same design. The adaptation changes the color, images, languages, symbol, icons in all the versions. The changes are really subtle and does not affect usability of the site. So this is the whole project and what my website is all about and how it adapts. Hopefully you like it. Thank you very much.